The Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe is a luxurious, powerful and luxurious convertible that costs $500,000. It features unique features such as a two-tone stainless steel hood, a teak wood deck, and the hood ornament known as the Spirit of Ecstasy, the Flying Lady. These features are engineered to be hard to steal and can be easily accessed by hitting a button. The double R logos on the wheels, which stay level even when driving, are a sure sign of a special car. The Phantom Drophead Coupe also features suicide doors which are designed to be easy to close, especially for the typical age group that typically buys this car. The auto-closing feature allows the door to close itself, making it easier for the driver to reach back and close it. The Phantom shares some electrical subsystems with the previous generation BMW 7 Series, but the system has been improved in the Phantom. The screen displays a beautiful clock while the trunk opens up or down for large loads. This is the first convertible to have this kind of frippery. Although the trunk is not that big, one of the most unique aspects of the Phantom Drophead Coupe is its gigantic thin-rim steering wheel. The power reserve gauge and gas gauge show a decrease in gas consumption before shifting, making the driver feel more confident behind the wheel. Despite its impressive size and luxury, the Phantom Drophead Coupe can make the driver look a little bit small behind the wheel. However, the car's size and luxurious nature may make the driver appear smaller behind the wheel, which is why the rich don't have to die. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe is a truly modern and impressive vehicle that offers a unique and impressive experience for drivers.